Today's video is brought to you by Breakdance, the modern visual website builder for WordPress. It's easy for the beginners to learn and powerful enough for the most advanced professionals. Breakdance is loaded with features including a premium pre-made template library, a robust form builder, AI content writing capabilities, a versatile pop-up builder, and seamless WooCommerce integration. Whether you're just starting your journey on WordPress or you're a seasoned pro looking for a better builder for your agency, now is the perfect time to build better websites with Breakdance. Try today and experience the Breakdance difference.
Hey there, today I'm going to tell you how to create a course, and I will also show you the whole process and help you through. So first of all, let's create the course. I'm going to name it SEO marketing course, and here we have sections. I'm going to name this first section essentials, and the first lesson I just copy paste from my prepared text. As you could notice, I'm using Fox LMS to create this course. It is my go-to builder if I am building any courses, and it's always very simple and easy to do and to create the course with it. So I'm just adding all of the lessons. This is our bone structure, and here we can go to the detail settings. So we can upload a picture. I already have one prepared here. And here we also could upload an intro video. If you are creating a real course for real people, please consider creating an intro video for it, because that is the simplest way to engage people and also bring more attention. Now for the description, I'll just keep it simple here. Course duration, we can do any duration we want. So let's do 30 hours, for example, right? If it was an actual course. Now, the course is mainly done. We can also add a category here. Later, I'm going to show you how to create categories. Course status is already published. Enroll limit 10 people. We can also schedule the course if you want. And also, we can lock the lessons behind a progress. I'm going to do that here. Difficulty level beginner and enroll button, enroll now. Great. Now we also have analytics. We will come back here later, I suppose. And then we go to the lessons tab. So here we have all of the lessons named and structured. All we have to do is edit them. I have some text prepared, so I'll just copy paste all of those texts for the lessons. It's very easy. It's done by our simple and already friendly Elementor, so nothing new here, at least. Just adding the materials. I would like to say that if you're creating an actual course, you probably should consider adding video materials, visual materials, homework, maybe some links to other websites if you want. So as much content as possible for people to engage with your course, and also learn as much as possible too. Now we should go to the categories. I'm going to show you how to create new ones. I'm going to name it SEO marketing, the slug, just whatever. Now we can assign a parent term to create the hierarchy. We have general already, so let's just assign it to that one. And description, all SEO related courses. So now we have an SEO marketing. Parental category is the general category, and that it. We have a students tab and instructors tab. You can control respective information from both. So from the students, you can control student information, and from the instructors, you can control the information about your speakers. You can create pages for them, and so on. Now we also can edit some general settings. I'll just keep it simple, but for you to know, you can do a lot of general customization as well. Now we are going to just take a look at what we have so far, and it's a simple marketing course with 6 lessons here, each one locked behind a difficulty. Now I want to add a quiz, because what a course without a quiz? Quizzes are the best way to engage people, to share information, to make sure that your audience really is learning something from your course. And as much as they repeat the information they've learned, as higher are the chances that they are going to memorize it. So the quizzes are not only useful for the website to get higher rankings, they are also very useful for the audience. As you can see, it's very easy to set up a quiz here. I just activated a plugin from the same developer, from the IS Pro, in one click, and I'm just copy pasting all of the questions here, and that's gonna be it for the first question. Now I will need to save it and go on to the next question. Here we have to just do the same thing for the next question. Also, don't forget that these questions should really be reflecting the lesson that you have. And also, each of these quizzes should be assigned to the lesson they are asking about. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Now we are creating the quiz again to assign the questions we just created to this quiz. Here's how we do it. Just 2 clicks and insert questions. Here we can save it, and we copy this short code that you have just seen, and that short code should be just pasted into the page or into the lesson you want it to be in. Just very simple, paste it as a short code and it's gonna automatically insert the quiz in there. Now I'm showing you the settings options. There are so many settings here. I'm not going to use them right now. I'll just keep it simple, but you can do that. And here I am also ensuring that I have the correct option picked, so the quiz knows what's the correct answer. Great. Now we are going to the lesson first, copy pasting the short code. And now that the quiz is live, we can go ahead and get one last look at the back picture of our settings. I'm also adding a cover image for the quiz here, so it's not going to be so boring to look at. Save, and let's go back to the course. Here is how it looks from our perspective. Just the file structure, the cover image, the settings, analytics are empty yet. And we can go ahead and now go visit the website from the user's point of view. So here's the quiz. It's accessible from the dashboard. We go to the courses. And here it is, SEO marketing course, 30 hours. All of the settings. It's also marked as complete, but let me just show you how it looks. So here's how the quiz looks. It knows all of the correct answers. As you can see, it says what is the correct answer. So I believe this is all for today's video. I hope you have all of the information and knowledge now to create more complex quizzes, the quizzes that you want to create. And if you have any questions left, please do leave a comment. I'm going to answer each one. Thank you very much for your time and have a great day. Bye.